Hello everyone, myself Ritu and I welcome you all in the brand new episode of Key Mid Dude. Who knows what? An inspiring speaker always have that magical wand that transform the thoughts and ideas of its audience. Its pep talk always motivate many people, right? So today I'm going to introduce a motivational speaker from Lucknow Public School Amrapali branch, Mrs. Sadia Khamar ma'am. Let's see what she has to share with us.
Hello everyone, I am Sadia Khamar. I got the opportunity to serve as the assistant teacher and nurture the branch Lucknow Public College, Sector E, Amrapali. A new addition to the Lucknow Public chain of schools. I am very thankful to my institution for giving me this platform where I can express my views on my life as a mother and as a teacher during present scenario. Well, I think time management is the only way to do justice between the duties of a mother and a teacher under normal circumstances. But we all are operating in a strange time. Due to COVID-19 pandemic, our usual routines have been disrupted. We all are establishing our new routines. Today, I am going to share few things which I used to do for maintaining balance between the duties of a teacher and a mother. First thing, get ready with full energy for your day. As a mother and as a teacher, I have to manage many things such as compiling teaching material suitable for online classes, set up schedules, find ways to keep the kids engaged beyond the limited hours of remote learning. As a mother and as a wife, I have to make sure that there is food on the dining table for my kids and family. So I get up 3 hours before my classes. I start my day with prayer, exercises, dry fruits soaked overnight to get energy. Breakfast is the most important meal for the teacher and the student both, because brain needs to work on those difficult concepts which they are going to deal with during online classes. Second, organize your things properly. Designate a workspace for you. Sit at your workspace before 15 minutes the class starts. This is for the teacher and students both. See your timetable, get ready with your books, pen, pencil, etc. Keep your device on the table. The screen of your device should be at your eye level. Be very careful about your posture during online classes. Don't take calls during online classes. And distribute the household work amongst your family members to avoid distraction. Do some eye exercises during breaks. Splash some water on your eyes. Gently press your eyes with cup of your hands. A strong 30 to 45 minutes nap is very important for the teacher and student both. It will refresh their mind. Praying. It's a time for recreation that you can spend as per your hobby. You can spend this time with your plants. Kids can play indoor games. Now this is the perfect time for the preparation of study material for the teacher and doing homework assignments for the student. This will keep both of them busy. One most important tip for the students: do not study with digital notes like PDF. When you study by making your own notes, it not only helps you to focus better, but Your act of writing is your first revision. Finish up all your household work and spend some quality time with your family. Prioritize your time in such a way that allows you to focus better on your work and your personal life as well. Keep yourself away from mobiles before 1 hour you go to bed. Keep your things and planning ready for the next day. Reward yourself for all the tasks you have done. Get a good night's sleep. Sleep is very essential to give rest to your body and keep your mind fresh for the next day. And don't forget to do shoulder exercises. It will not only open your shoulders but also open the gate for positive energy for you. These are the way which I suggest you to maintain balance between your virtual world and real world. Thank you.
Oh wow! Thank you Sadhya ma'am for such an enlightening speech on time management. I'm sure this is really going to help us in our day-to-day life. We have a lot more to come in our next episode. Till then, stay tuned. Bye bye. Take care.